Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining us for our first episode of our new series called Power Apps in a Snap. So very similar to our series before from last year, this is going to be a dummy style tutorial, but this time, just to make it a little bit different, each episode is going to be limited to 10 minutes. So we're going to have a 10-minute countdown clock counting us down, and my colleague John is going to teach me as much as he can about creating a new Power App, hopefully in a snap. So, John, how's it going?
It's going great. So I've already had Rachel go to the website, make.powerapps.com, and we're going to start with the blank app.
Perfect. Okay, so let's get started with our countdown clock. All right, let's go. So I'm going to go to this blank app. You said under create blank app.
Yes.
Perfect.
And the blank canvas app, the first option.
Great. What kind of app are we creating?
We're creating a tablet format so it shows up on a bigger screen.
Okay.
It's for scheduling of office space.
Office schedule or office workspace scheduling. Correct?
Correct.
Perfect. Create. All right.
Now, after it gets ready creating, we're going to connect to the data that we had Rachel do on an Excel spreadsheet. It's pretty simple data, so we're not going to go over how to create it in this tutorial. So you can go to the left-hand side of your screen on the little can icon. That's your data icon.
Okay.
Yes. And we're going to add data.
Okay.
And under connectors, go down and see all connectors. And the first one, import from Excel. Yes. That's our data. Correct. And you select those two. Done. We now just added our data and we're going to start creating our app. So you can go back to the layers option on your left hand side, which is the one with the many sheets of paper on top of each other.
Okay.
Yes. Now we're in our first screen. So we're going to start putting a header on the top. So to that we go to insert on the top of the screen. Yes.
Okay.
And we put a rectangle.
Okay. Great.
We're just gonna go corner to corner on that top.
Okay.
Yeah. Good. And now also insert, and we're gonna put a text label. And same thing, you just put it corner to corner where you put that rectangle. It's gonna click into place. Okay, now if you see at your right hand side where it says text.
Oh, here, okay.
Yes, that's where you put the name of that label. You can just put the name of the app. I mean, you can just put office space scheduling. Now, let's increase that font to like a 40.
Put it in the middle.
Center. Change it to white. So if you scroll down a little bit,
is this the color?
No, the A.
Oh, there.
Yes. Just put white. Great.
Okay.
The next thing is we're gonna put a subheader. So we're just gonna get another rectangle and another text label and put it just under those.
Perfect. Okay, another rectangle. Where's the rectangle going?
Right under that one. Yeah.
Okay. And another text label. Oh. Okay.
Now you can make the two rectangles touch each other
Oh, okay.
because we're gonna change the color so you can differentiate one from the other.
Oh no, my text box. Oh, there we go. Okay, great. Perfect. Should I change the color of this text as well? And what text am I going to put down here in my subheader? Oops,
you can just say good morning.
Where do I go back?
Oh, yes.
There we go.
There you go. You can just say good morning. Later on, we're going to do a personalized kind of greeting where it's going to say your name and it's going to say either good morning, good afternoon, or good night, depending on the time of the day. But for now, we're just going to leave it like that. And let's change the color on that second rectangle. So just click on the second rectangle.
Okay.
And click on that blue. Yes. And then just go for like an off blue, like a lighter shade of blue.
Don't care for that one. Okay,
yeah,
that's better.
That's good. Okay, now you're gonna go and insert two buttons. So you go to insert.
Sorry, wanted to jazz it up some. All right, insert.
No problem.
Button. Okay, great.
Gonna bring it to the middle. Yeah.
Okay.
Make it big.
Okay. Like that?
Yeah. And now click on it and click Control C, because we're going to copy and paste because we're going to have two of them.
Okay, let me go ahead and make my text bigger, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to do that on both. Where do I... Oh, it's not going to let me. Is it? Where do I make my text bigger?
It's right there on font size.
Size, where am I? Oh, font size, of course.
Right there. Yeah.
Okay. Let's do it. 25. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to Control C, Control V, right? You said?
Yes.
There we go. I
Right.
assume there?
Yeah. Good.
Looking
now,
good.
The first one we're going to call create new scheduling.
Okay.
And the second one is just going to be my schedules.
Perfect.
And to finalize this screen, to make it pretty, we're going to put a cover image. So we're going to insert. And we're going to go media. And image.
Okay.
Yes. Make it as big as the entire screen, corner to corner.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we're gonna send it to the back, so it won't really affect anything. On your right side, you're gonna see it's saying image and none. You're gonna click on that none.
Okay.
And you're gonna add an image file. Now you just add that image file that I sent you.
Perfect. Now how do I send to back?
Great. Now you see on the left side where it says image, the one block that is selected, you're going to click on the three dots.
This one, okay.
Yeah, and it's going to go to reorder and send backward. Or send to back.
Oh, hang on. Where am I clicking? Here?
Yeah.
Reorder, send to back.
Send to back. Yes.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
And that's going to be our first screen of this app.
Looks sharp. I like that. So this is how people can go in and whenever they're going into the office to schedule their workspace. So we're like right at the 10-minute mark, but I feel like this is a great stopping point. I can't believe that we already created a home screen of an app in under 10 minutes. It's obviously super easy to work with Power Apps. So I'm looking forward to developing this next time on our next episode. So join us next time for episode 2 to see what more we're going to do to develop this app. And thank you so much, John, for sharing your expertise.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.